Take it to the next level.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my first video, I had mentioned that I had ordered some car parts, and super exciting news. One of those parts I had received today. I was gonna wait for the installation video. I was too excited and I couldn't wait to share what the specific part was that I got. So drum roll please. It is an oil catch can from Billet technology. So for this specific catch can, you can use them on your Dodge Charger, your Challenger, and 300s can even use these. So in my opinion, catch cans are a very, very important part that you should add to your car. This specific catch can I got on Billet technology. They're going for about $110. The one that I got in the finished blue color, which I paid, what was it, $25 extra. It wasn't the frostbite color, but it was as close that I could get. So I went ahead and got the Z bracket for only $25 extra. Not a bad deal. I got the fittings powder coated in black just because I thought it would look better. So I will go ahead and open this now. Here is the catch can, and let's see if I can unscrew it. So as you can see, it unscrews very, very easily. So there's the O-ring right in there. I don't know if you can see that. This is what is going to prevent oil from getting in your intake, and the oil will actually collect in this can right here. Screw it back on. It screws back on super, super easy. Awesome product. I'm just very, very pleased with it. This is the Z bracket right here. I ended up not getting the standard bracket. I paid, I think it was $25 extra for the Z bracket. It's totally worth it in my opinion. And also, if you take a look here, you can see, can you see where it says Billet Technology? They got their name brand right there. It looks super nice. The brass fittings, which I paid, I think it was 20 or 25 extra to get them powder coated. I also paid $20 extra for this blue finish color, which I'm very, very pleased with. I'm glad I did that. It feels super sturdy. Like, this is a really good product, you guys. I did not pay for the braided hoses. I just got the standard hose because it just wasn't something that I felt like I really needed, so I didn't get the braided hose. But it does, I mean, it does look good, but I just personally, didn't care for it. And then we got some other fittings in here. You should buy an oil catch can because it will keep your car performing at its absolute best. If you don't buy an oil catch can and install it into your car, what could happen is you can get oil that will go into your intake, and if that happens, that's not good. They provided some instructions on how to install this into your car, which I think that's awesome for people that don't know. Well, I just have to share my experience with Billet technology real quick. They immediately sent me a response with an email confirming the order, and within a few hours later, I had a sales rep who actually got in contact with me. So for my experience, I thought that was amazing because Italy has got like a 7-hour difference. Very, very good customer service. Stand by and wait just a little bit longer with me. I will be posting some way better videos here shortly once I have my car with me. But until then, I just want to thank you all for all of your support and for following me on this journey. Bye guys, have a good day.